Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove background image in Publisher. Now going to the page design option. Now select, then click for a background option. Now click for more background. Now we show the interface. Now click for no fill option, then click for OK. That it's now you can see remove background image in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.